All right, this is a Dodge Ram 2021, heavy duty. It was heavily hit on the left side from the back end into the doors all the way to the fender. We have to replace the door, we have to pull the panel, we have to fix the side panel, repair it, paint it. Now we buff after paint, we buff the car to get rid of all the any dust or anything on the paint to make sure it's going to be color factory. And here we're going to be painting a two-door separate from the car and all the side panels. When we finish the paint, we're going to bake it and we're going to transfer it to the car. By the time the job is done, it's going to be just like the original. We're going to put a warranty in the work. We can take it back to the dealer. Any issue, we can take care of it. Everything happening at Pars Moto.